I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by freeing the biggest space drains. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to view storage. Once you see top consumers, delete large photos, iCloud Drive files, and message attachments. This removes bulk immediately. Make sure to remove old device backups. Select Backups, pick the device, and delete backup. Do this now so the backup target will have space. These steps reduce clutter and prevent partial or failed backups during the next stages. Once done with bulk deletion, you adjust what actually gets backed up. Go to iCloud Backups, choose your device, and toggle off apps whose data you can live without or store elsewhere. For example, exclude video apps, large game saves, or caches. They often eat GBs. Make sure to leave essential items like health or messages if you need them. This reduces future backup sizes and speeds up the process. Remember, excluded data won't restore from iCloud. Now finalize by running a manual iCloud backup. Tap Backup now and watch progress. If it fails, restart your device, confirm you're on stable Wi-Fi, and recheck available iCloud space. Sometimes temporary spikes block completion. Once done, verify the backup timestamp. If space still isn't enough, either upgrade your iCloud plan or export large data off iCloud to local storage and retry. Key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.